Okay, so guys, we're here today to review my Rook helmet, my helmet for the past 2 years, no? So, as you can see, the fit of this helmet on me is pretty good, no? With the jacket, hindi mo kang bumbilya yung ulo. So, one of the concerns that, that I'm very particular with yung how the, pag masyadong malaki kasi mukha kang posporo eh. 'Di ba? So anyway, on with the review guys. This helmet has been with me for the past 2 years and okay, what can I say about the Rook helmet? First and foremost, I'd like to say thanks to BJ Makadangdang who gave this to me 2 years ago for me to review and to enjoy, no? So okay, good points on this is that it's very sturdy, okay, but it's not heavy. Yun ang ano ko, it's light, relatively light, and the material is pretty good. Masakit sa knuckles pag ginanon. It's pretty solid, so hindi siya ampaw ang dating ng sound, no? And the padding is quite good na considering 2 years na siya, hindi pa nagko-collapse yung pads. And also at the same time, the thing I liked about this also is that it's simple. Hindi siya yung kung gusto niyo yung mga classic look na hindi masyado maraming design, masyado maraming kanto. I mean, if I ride a sports bike, bagay yon. But I usually ride classic bikes, so I like classic helmets. So if you like classic stuff, this is perfect for you. So nakita mo naka brown leather design pa siya, 'di ba, for the foam. And at the same time, simple lang yung mechanism niya. There's not a lot to, a lot of moving parts na po pwedeng masira. And another thing I liked about this is that this is very, very quiet pag sa highway. Yun ang ano ko kasi concern ko. I used to have a helmet that pag mabilis ka na, the wind is going past you and then ang lakas na ng sound niya, parang ganun na, no? So, nakakarinde. But this one, because yung kanyang side part, yung sa kanyang hinge, hindi masyadong malaki. Large part of the wind resistance comes from the form of the helmet. So this is very smooth, just round, and allows you to slip through the air with very minimal noise and drag, no? So also at the same time, the hinge, guys, itong hinge na to, this is a simple hinge na one of the, I think this is Gen 1. Tapos ano siya, the hinge is tightened by a coin. So madaling mag-tighten. Also at the same time, hindi siya madaling mag-loosen yung yung hinge niya, no. And talking about the visor, for 2 years hindi siya gasgasin. I don't know, but some of my helmets, ang dami ng mga gasgas yung visor. And the good thing with this, it has a seemingly gas-gas, not really gas-gas resistant. And nahulog ka na rin siguro to mga twice or thrice and hindi nagkakaroon ng lamat yung helmet, guys. So also at the same time, if you're looking for certification, there's the ICC there and then the ECE. If you're looking for a good sturdy helmet na it's not going to break the bank, hindi mahal, and looks great, looks simple, and it is not huge, lalo na yung sa mga smaller riders dyan, thinner riders na, ayaw nyo magmukhang posporo, you know. So, this is a great helmet and very simple lang yung kanyang notch dito to close the visor. Kaya pag binuksan mo, okay, you just have to, madali lang siya, even with gloves, if you have gloves. And another good thing with this is that the ventilation is quite good. Okay, lalo na ngayon sa atin, tropical, mainit. When you're at speed, and hindi ako yung type kasi na nagpapawis too much, but this one I can say it has better ventilation than most of my helmets. So it's got the vents here and also vent at the front. Okay, so if you will notice me, if you know me, karamihan ng helmets ko puro full face. Okay, the reason for that is that there's a study where they anong tawag doon? Ano ba yung mga impact points that usually happens when in an accident, ay yung pinakamadalas. Guys, it's this area. So kung medyo goping ka tulad ko, timbre na lang guys. Anyway, if you want to protect your jaw and your face, you will want to have this because this becomes yan yung sasadsad sa kalye when you're like, gaganon yan eh. Instead of your chin meeting the asphalt or the cemento, it will be this area here. So ang daming, there's a lot of horror stories about people, destroying their chins because of a motorcycle accident, and we don't want that, diba? So I would recommend either a modular, but better yet, a full face helmet dahil kasi buo siya dito, matigas. Okay, buo siya dito sa part na to. I do have modular helmets, and but for long rides, I prefer the full face. Now, another thing with this is that part of the helmet thing is this part. Diba? Kita nyo natutuklap na. Normal lang po yan because of the oils of the skin, nasisira yung leatherette niya. But this one, it has a black fabric underneath na breathable, and it's actually not that, except kung ayaw mo, natutuklap siya. So, tutuklapin ko na yan siguro maya-maya, pero not too much. So anyway, it has that brown lining in the, in the top, and it's very, very well built. Okay, very solid helmet. And yun lang, I would have made D-link siya. This is what you call the D-link, no? D-link lock sa helmets. Alright? Now, yung iba, meron silang mga, mas gusto ko sana yung may buckle para quicker to remove and to, to put on. Okay? So, ayun guys, ano pa ba masasabi natin dito? The visor is nice, it's not noisy, it's relatively light, it's not heavy, and it's solidly constructed. It's not too bulky that it makes you look like a posporo. And the thing is, I recommend also when you wear helmets, para hindi madaling magulo, lalo na for the ladies out there, always wear a balaclava. Okay? So if you have like nakaayos na yung hair mo, if you carefully arrange it and then you put on your balaclava like so, okay? So this is a binaliktad ko to, no guys. So why? Because pag binababa ko yung helmet, kaya ako binaliktad. Pag binababa ko yung helmet, pag naka-over ito, okay, itong part na to nakapatong dito. Pag baba mo ng helmet, bumababa automatically pag gano'n, nadadrag siya, no? So paano ba to? Ayan, baliktad kasi. Anyway, when you wear a balaclava, what happens is, okay, napoprotect yung hairdo mo. At the same time, it also prevents the helmet from absorbing too much of the sweat. And also, this one provides ventilation. So this is a very, very light fabric na stretch fabric siya. And it adds more to the space, air space in between your hair and your scalp and the helmet lining material. So the air is able to better circulate, no? So also at the same time, it helps protect your hairdo. Pag naayos mo na, ganun mo lang. And then pag pinasok mo, pag wala ka kasing balaklava, pag ganoon mo yung helmet, gumagano na yung it drags everything down, di ba? So ngayon, ayan, helmet 101 na to. By the way, shout out to Jeff Wong, helmet specialist, great friend of mine, baka naman. Also to Rook Helmet, thank you very much, BJ Makadangdang. And also, alam nyo yung isang maganda pang classic helmet that I plan to have in the future is the VRM, yung parang Darth Vader yung itsura, yung may pag ganun, no? A lot of people really love that. I loved it also because it's even smaller yung form factor niya, and knowing the VRM helmets, peds, pag ginanon mo, matigas din siya. You know, it's not too bad. It's even smaller than this actually. Both the open face and the what you call this, the closed face helmet. So yun lang guys. So I hope you like this review, and yung mga taong nag-iisip about buying a helmet, a really good value helmet for money na na won't break the bank and will protect you and has good characteristics, hindi maingay sa highway, and at the same time looks cool, hindi masyadong mayabang. This has different colors, different colorways, no? Ayan. So I think the new one has a new like this. I haven't seen it yet kung ano, ay hindi ko pa nabusisi, but I have not had any problems with this hinge, no? So I'm happy with this hinge, hindi siya mabilis sa what do you call this? Lumuwag. Yon. So yun lang guys. So I hope you like this review of my Rook helmet. And again, this is your friendly neighborhood coach, Coach Tony Agudo. And yeah, Buhay X Moto TV guys. Paki-follow na lang sa Facebook, sa TikTok, YouTube, and IG. So we are going to be giving away a lot of prizes, a lot of raffles, you know, in the future. And we're over at Pinoy Extreme Channel 106. Shout out to Direct Norman Castillo, to Ana Manansala of XPTV. Sino pa ba? Of course, my director, Victor De La Riva, and si Brother Dennis, okay, and all of our other partners. They're gonna be coming in soon, and we'll be reviewing a lot of products in this kind of way, yung very practical and very down to earth na review, no? So hopefully you like this review, guys. So again, this is your Coach Tony saying goodbye and thank you very much. Ride safe and ride happy always, guys. God bless.